Mr. Carter, all the way. Where are you from again?
Logan.
Logan, Ohio? West Virginia? Ohio? No, West Virginia, he says. Yep. Mr. Carter, he is, man, he's watched all my videos. I sent him a shirt a while back. They got a little black and white dog named Betsy. And we're probably going to have some Preacher puppies. Preacher and Betsy puppies. Soon.
Okay, well, you know,
How are y'all?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Y'all might be on YouTube if that's okay.
well, anyway, you just
Got the baby sleeping over there.
Okay, I'll get a video of them. Y'all be on YouTube if that's okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Oh my goodness gracious.
Hey, babies. You gonna wake up?
Oh wow. Wow. If anybody wants a puppy, they better get to Autumn Oaks. Yep. Oh, these are sold? Never mind. These are sold. There's one lazy one that probably make the best coon dog out there, laying in a box upside down. Yep. So y'all be on coon hunting with Otter. Where y'all from?
Iowa.
Iowa. Okay. Oklahoma. I'm from Alabama.
Alright.
Yep. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you too.
Them some fine looking puppies.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Tipper River, the
Yes,
Tipper
sir.
River Club.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Good.
Yep.
Good. All right. Let me see. You get up and work.
Sure does.
No, they just feed it water.
That is cookies. I'm not. Sit. Good boy. Just for the collar? Yeah. Hey, especially one just for the collar. Do you want to set it as a set?
I don't know what to learn. I don't know what to learn.
Y'all good with being on YouTube?
You're fine.
Okay. How old are your puppies?
They're 4 to 5 months old and
Okay. Yep. And those are,
Australian Shepherds.
I thought they were Australian
They're standards,
Shepherds.
though.
Yep. They're pretty.
Thank you.
My wife is probably going after when I get this video uploaded, she's probably going to ask why I'm not coming home with them anymore. So
They're her cheap.
You're gonna have to
Cut
see
you.
one then.
I'll cut.
she told me not to come. She told me not to come home with anything.
Well, you know what you do?
And she run.
You take a picture of them and say, "Here you go, honey."
I better not. I better not. Y'all don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay. I believe that's the runt there, ain't it? Is this the runt? Don't know. Hey. I believe he's as big as I got a 1-year-old walker. He may be. They're about the same size. Yes, 1-year-old walker. I know his ears are longer and his head's bigger. His name's Eeyore. Eeyore, yep. Oh, do you? Okay, nice to meet you, Nathan. Okay, Jeffrey Mullins, nice to meet you. Yep, did you get you a puppy?
Yeah,
Good deal. She's getting out of it. She's like backing away, yeah. Wow, that's a pretty puppy. Well, I asked some people, y'all are out of Tennessee. That's what I thought. Yep. Everything's 75% off today, right?
I wish.
Appreciate it. You don't mind this little man? I wish I had a shirt. This is the shirts. This is my buddy from West Virginia.
This guy hunted with us last night.
How you doing, buddy?
Supposed to shake his hand off.
Ah, no, that's good. That's good.
You want to see all the pups?
Yeah, we already went and looked at all of them. Y'all don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay.
Window shop.
I'm gonna buy one chance. I'm with the I'm on the Alabama State Association for the like youth hunts and all. Or on my YouTube channel, I do like a Facebook drawing, and then I take a kid hunting and give them a pair of boots and stuff like that. But I'm on the association. I'm on donate $5 too. I just want one chance, so I'm on donate. So, yep.
So,
yeah, and y'all are in North Carolina, right? North Carolina State. All righty.
Yeah, this is our main fundraiser. It covers our cash prizes at our 3 adult hunts.
Okay.
Well, it don't cover it. It goes partially to our cash prize. But our main purpose for this is to cover our youth hunt.
Okay.
Last year we put 48 dogs in the woods for our youth hunt. Every kid that hunted got
63.
Every kid that hunted in the hunt left with at least a dog food bowl, a collar, a leash, and a squaw.
Wow.
Every kid that shows up on the ground, whether they enter an event or not, leaves with something. Last year, those kids left with a drawstring bag. In the bag, it had a frisbee, a water bottle, an ink pen, and a sticker. And the older kids had a pocket knife instead of a frisbee.
Okay.
So we try to do as best we can and improve every year. Our show prizes go from the show winners will get a chair that's embroidered, a water bottle that has a vinyl sticker that says
A big
best
water
of
bottle.
show.
Okay.
Take with them to the shows. For
Yeah,
the
an
dogs.
Arctic water jug.
Okay.
That says like best of show.
Yes, sir.
And then I like our best of breeds to get a small package that's got a cup, a little bag of dog treats and stuff like that. And then our cast winners, all our plus points cast winners, we will have different lights laid out. And if you come back with a plus points cast win,
You get a lot.
we put it in order of 1 through 10.
Yes, sir.
And
Starting at lead.
we
Starting
start
at
with the first one. He picks his light all the way down.
Okay.
And it's not, they're not youth lights.
They're
It's,
top of the line.
like
That's
last year
awesome.
was the Rougarou from Cajun and the Viper from Bright Eyes, the Viper Pro from Sunspot, and the Superior from Hellcat.
Wow.
Hellcats.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whichever way it goes.
That's the lights we give away last year.
Wow.
So we try to do our best, and that's why this is our main fundraiser.
Treeing contest. Got a leash.
Lead.
Treeing contest got a leash, a water bucket, a collar, and a stopwatch.
And our
Coon squalling
We had
contest.
3 categories for
Y'all
squall.
did. That's awesome.
We
That's
done
awesome.
12 and over, and under 12, and mouth.
No call.
Yeah, no
Just-
claw,
just-
with the
bang.
mouth.
Yeah.
And we
Wow.
done first through third on the mouth, and first through 4 on the other
On
2
the other two
categories.
categories.
Wow.
And
That's,
everyone took home an engraved coon squaller,
Yep.
a water bottle, a bucket, and a leash
Yep.
for
wow.
that.
A little story, a little bit about Full Cry. Now, Full Cry, did they go out of?
So CNH Publishing owned Full Cry for the last, I don't know how many years, along with the Cooner, the Hunter's Horn, and the Rabbit Hunter. I don't know. One of the big magazines.
Yes.
I forget which one. And they went out of business. The Hunter's Horn was sold, but Full Cry, Cooner, and the other one just ceased to exist. Jason and Danny Doobie from out in Oregon, they're the ones that purchased it about a month after it went out of business. And the next one, the first issue is about to come out next month.
Okay. All right. And we're there at Automotes.
And this is all my podcast.
Okay.
Full Cry's a sponsor of mine. That's why
Yes, sir.
I'm here, to promote them and promote myself all at the same time. So,
There you go. Good deal. Good deal.
yep.
All right. we're definitely glad that they did buy them and are going to come back out with the magazines. So he's probably ready to, I don't know, probably ready to do some eating. He hadn't ate good when he was up here. Like he did, but he hadn't ate real good.